Bird flu, also known as avian influenza, is a type of flu that primarily affects birds. There are many different strains of bird flu, and they can range in severity from mild to very serious. Some strains can cause severe illness and even death in birds, especially poultry like chickens and turkeys. While bird flu is primarily a bird disease, certain strains can infect humans. This usually happens when people have close contact with infected birds or contaminated environments. Human cases of bird flu are relatively rare but can have serious consequences. Bird flu viruses spread through the saliva, mucus, and droppings of infected birds. Birds can spread the virus even if they don't appear sick. The virus can contaminate surfaces like cages, equipment, and even clothing and shoes. Humans can contract bird flu by touching contaminated surfaces and then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. Consuming infected poultry that has not been properly cooked can also transmit the virus. Direct contact with infected birds, such as handling them or being in close proximity, is a high-risk activity. It's important to remember that bird flu is not easily transmitted from person to person. Most human cases of bird flu have been linked to contact with infected poultry. While human-to-human transmission is rare, it is possible and a significant concern for public health officials. Bird flu can cause a range of symptoms in humans, from mild flu-like symptoms like fever, cough, and sore throat, to severe respiratory illness, pneumonia, and even death. People who work with poultry, such as farmers and poultry workers, are at increased risk of infection. Early detection and treatment are crucial for improving outcomes in infected individuals. There are several things you can do to protect yourself from bird flu. Avoid contact with birds, especially sick or dead ones. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after being around birds or poultry. Ensure poultry and eggs are cooked thoroughly to kill any potential virus. If you work with poultry, wear appropriate protective gear such as gloves and masks. Stay informed about bird flu outbreaks in your area.